everyone, my name is Brittany. I am a member of the Science Alive team here at the Desert Research Institute, and today we are going to get into Activity 2, Environmental Exploration of the Life Science Exploration Kit. So here's our kit, let's dig in. For this activity, you will need your Life Science Facilitator Guide. You will also need your Life Exploration Science Notebook, your environment cards, your hand lens, a pencil for writing, and last but certainly not least, your Science Alive Explorer sticker. Before we start exploring, let's get into our environment cards. These 4 cards are about different environments in and around Nevada that you and your facilitator can now take time to explore. Now that you've looked over your environment cards, it's time to explore your own environment. So let's put on our Science Alive Explorer sticker and get to exploring. So you will want your handy dandy hand lens, your pencil, and Life Exploration Notebook. It is now time for you to choose your environment that you all can explore. It can be inside wherever you are currently, wherever you may live, or if it is safe to do so, you can also go outside and explore. Now, on page 6 of your science notebook, there are some guiding questions and other examples of environments that you can explore. But now that you have gotten familiar with the environment cards, you are going to make your own environment card. Have fun exploring! Once you finish up with this activity, if you would like, you can take a picture of your environment card and email it to drisciencealive@gmail.com. We would love to see your environment cards. Now have fun exploring.